Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix MacBook Pro sound issue. You just need a 3.5 jack. You can cut it from here and use it, but right now I'm using a hands-free for this, just for a demo. I'm using MacBook Pro 13-inch El Capitan installed, and you can see that sound is not working. So you just need to put I forgot to show the red light in 3.5 jack. There is a red light. All right, so you just need to plug 3.5 jack and go to system preferences, sound, and select it to input. By default it is set on output, so you need to select sound input. Now you can listen the sound. Audio is now working. Audio is now perfectly working. And see, I want to show you what happened when we select the output. When we select output, now the sounds came from hands-free. Alright, so this is a simple and cheapest way to fix your MacBook Pro 13-inch sound issue. Enjoy.